Hey guys, it's Varun from Mr. Phone and we're back with a weekly app video. But that said, we're kind of changing things around here. So usually, we do apps and games in the same video and they're all sort of random. But we've heard you guys, you want specific videos talking about certain games or certain apps that follow a certain trend. And well, that's what we're gonna do. So starting with this video, we'll be doing 2 app weeklies and 2 game weeklies every month. So that's total 4 videos each month. And the best part is, each of those videos will be following a certain trend. I'm sure you've already read the title of the video, which means that this week we'll be talking about 5 best wallpaper apps. So well, let's get started. Now, a wallpaper app is largely dependent on the catalog of its wallpapers, and well, that is why I've got Walli for you guys. Now I know you might call out different app names, but trust me, Walli has one of the biggest wallpaper gallery that I've ever seen on an app. And it allows you to easily set a wallpaper from within the app as well. And then there are the various categories to choose from. Honestly, this one is definitely a great wallpaper app. Next up is an app that I've previously recommended to you guys, which is AMOLEDit. AMOLEDit takes the best wallpapers from the r/AMOLED backgrounds subreddit and gives you access to them in a simple app format. The collection over at that subreddit is great, and to have a single app for browsing through all those wallpapers helps you customize your device a lot faster. Now, if you're into actual photography content, then I've got Resplash for you guys. Resplash is backed by Unsplash, has around 1 million HD photos which are provided by real photographers from all around the world, and that too for free. And if you're a photographer yourself, trust me, you're bound to get inspired. Now, if your device has an AMOLED display, here's a little tip for you guys. Having a dark wallpaper on your display helps you conserve a lot more battery. That is why there are a lot of AMOLED wallpaper apps on the Play Store which actually focus on dark wallpapers per se. Well, if you're having trouble choosing the best among them, I've got Starless for you guys. Starless promises at least 50% blacks in all of their wallpapers, and all the images are in at least Quad HD resolution, hence making them crisp and clear. Trust me, Starless is one of the best AMOLED wallpaper apps out there. Now, last on this list is superhero wallpapers, which, as the name suggests, helps you get wallpapers that are, well, of superheroes, comic characters, stuff like that. Actually superheroes, just superheroes. The collection here is one of the biggest I've ever seen, which makes it quite easy for me to recommend it to you guys. I am a Batman guy, and for me to have this huge catalog of Batman wallpapers is something that really fills my heart. And well, that was it. As always, you'll find the download link to all these apps in the description box below. Also, next week we'll be doing a game weekly. And the best part is, you guys get to decide what the theme will be. So whether it's puzzle games, shooter games, PUBG alternatives or whatever, just sound off in the comments below and I'll make sure that I'll make a video out of that. Well, that's me signing off, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, script done, baby. I hope that was recording.